So welcome, this is my first ever kind of a tutorial video, and today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be changing out this aftermarket radio that I put in the Mini. I bought it mainly for the DAB, but I've never been rather satisfied with it. I miss the original Mini radio, so what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be swapping those out, and it's a really simple process really, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, if you've watched other YouTube videos, tutorials on doing this kind of thing, you'll know that people suggest that you have to undo screws here and pull these out, and some screws down there, and pull up the gearbox, gear stick, what's it called? Oh, they say skirt. Yeah, we'll call it a skirt. The gear stick skirt to get to some more screws, and then you've got to pull that back. You really don't, and I'm going to show you that today. Right, so first of all, we're going to use a torque thingy. Oh, that's a thingy. I'm going to take out 4 screws, torque screws. That's 1, 2, 3 and 4. And you might be wondering why I'm wearing black gloves. It's because I bite my nails. I don't want you to see them. That's why, because somebody will comment, "Ooh, look at his nails." So there you go, that's one. There's one under there. We're going to have to take that bit of trim down in a moment, and there's two more on this side as well. Get in there. They're really very easy to take out, these. And there's 4 of them. But yeah, like I say, the radio, you know, I've never been very happy with it. These like aftermarket radios, unless you spend a lot of money, they're really not very good. And yeah, to get to this one, you've got to take down the glove compartment thing. And I'll do some more there. There we go. So another one, make sure they're safe. And then this one, we just need to pull on these to get this down, both sides. Oh yes, and then we can get to this one that's there, and that's quite easy to do, to be honest. This was the first thing that I ever did on my car, to be honest, was to change the radio, and I thought, yeah, this is quite good. So then I went under the engine and started to change things as well, like the radiator and the slam panel and the radiator fan, because it was overheating back then. And I took it to Halfords for a service, and they said the head gasket had gone. So, you know, obviously it's a big thing. Anyway, I brought it home, I did some research, and I thought, well, I'm going to change some things first before I scrap it. So I changed the radiator and the fan, and it cured the problem. So there you go, the fan wasn't working. Now these just come down like that, and you can just pull them to the side instead of taking all these screws out down here like other people tell you to. That's all you have to do, pull them down, pull them to the side, and there you see you've got the 4 screws that you're going to need to take out. Very easy. So yes, this radio, it's okay. But I've never really been very happy with it, so I'm going to take it out today. So we're just going to pull it out. It's very easy to pull. And all the wiring there that we put in. A loom that I bought off eBay. I bought the radio off eBay, but the loom I bought off eBay as well. So we just need to disconnect that from the original, and then this one is the aerial, and we pull that out too. There you go, and that's that radio out. Simple as. Simple. So simple. If I can do it, you can do it. It's true, folks. Right, we just need to get these screws out now. Another small task, these ones. There's 4 of them, because this is a plate that I had to put in to take the new radio. The original radios have a plate already built on it, which is why you can buy these aftermarket ones, and it's really quite simple to do, really. Oops, I've just lost one. No, there it is. Alright, see, and then this one and that one, and that's that'll be 4 screws done easily. I've always wanted to make a video doing something like this to show people easy ways to do it, rather than, because some of these videos that you watch, they're very long-winded and a lot of them are complicated. I mean, telling people to pull all these screws and everything out and the gear stick skirt up, you don't need to do all that. So you can just take that off now. It just pulls off. It comes off nice and simply. There we go, just like that. That's what it looks like. Yeah, it's just I think it costs about £10, and I think it even costs that, to be honest. Right, there we go. Now we got the original radio there. Here it is, and we're going to put that in. So what we do is we just basically just connect it up. So we'll do that. We put it the right way around, and then we can do it so that goes in there like that, and it just clips in, and you just clip in the aerial back as well. Simple, simple, simple. Now I bought an auxiliary cable because I've also got Amazon Alexa, and what I want to do is I want to use Alexa, which is actually a reason why I've done this the way I have. Yeah. So I need to find a hole to put this in. I think it just goes straight down, to be honest. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to plug this in. Plug this in to the original radio. You got to be careful when you buy these, because all plugs are different on these. It took me 3 attempts to get the right one. So that just goes in there like that. Yeah, like that, you see? And that'll just go in there. So what I want to do is try and find a hole to get this round. So yeah, let's have a look. Oh, there's a hole. Oh, look, there we go. It's a massive hole. There we go. I'll bring that out like that. There, brilliant. There we go. Now we can just put that back in there like that. Back into its original slot where it used to live. There we go. And then we just put the screws back. So it's basically a reverse of what we've done. Right, there we go. That's one there. Let's get my little driver. One. Yeah. 2. Yay, the boy can count. Yeah, and the next one. Very easy. If I can do it, I guarantee you can do it. I guarantee you can do it. There, so that's in like that. Now all we have to do, let's put these back, just put them in, lift them up, get your screws again. One, 2, and then same this side, clipping up, 3, and finally numero 4. Here we go. I am steaming up. It's raining outside, which is why I'm doing these little jobs now. So yeah, I'll put those in there, just tighten them up. Not too tight, but fairly tight. You don't want this rattling around while you're driving, so let's put these in. There we go. That's it, that can go back now. That just clips in, like that, and then we'll do this side as well. I should have tested it really before put it all together, yeah, just in case it didn't work. I'm sure it will. I'm sure it will. Well, that's that done. This is the Amazon Alexa that I bought. I bought it from well, you know, what is it? Oh, Amazon, yes. So just roughly clipping it on there at the moment, and plug in. I'll sort these wires out later. But it basically plugs into the auxiliary like that. I'll sort those wires out later. That can be closed now. So hopefully the radio will work. There, it's already chose the auxiliary like that.
With American buttercream frosting, and it was the absolute hit.
Me and Sally, I mean, we've done shows together, have we? Bobby's not on it, Sally's on it.
It's got a much better sound than the aftermarket radios. They really are very nice sounding radios, these original Mini ones. Alright, let's see if Alexa works. Alexa, play West Yorkshire Radio.
Playing West Yorkshire Radio.
There you go, Alexa works. So there you go, that's how you change out your radio in a Mini. Hope you enjoyed this video. I intend to do more of similar stuff, not just on dashboards, but underneath and in the wheels and all that kind of stuff. So if you have enjoyed this video or found it useful, please subscribe, click like, bell, all that kind of stuff. And I'll do another one soon, so thank you for watching. Hope you like the gloves as well. Alexa, stop.